Hello everyone and welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to solve the problem of inactive tab bar. Yes, if you want to be able to snooze inactive tabs to save your memory, how do you do it? Yes, one snooze inactive tabs to save memory. So from the home menu, you right click, select settings. On the left bar here, left menu here actually, click on features. Because it's actually a feature. From the right side, you scroll all the way down until you see user interface. Here is user interface, and then you check among the options and you will see the option snooze inactive tabs to save memory. So you turn it on. Now in case for whatever reason you decide you change your mind and you want to remove this feature, you want to disable this feature, follow the same steps and you get here, just simply turn it off. It's a simple start.